In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change output language in Wispr Flow. This walkthrough is for Windows, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the most accurate results from your dictation. First, make sure the Wispr Flow desktop app is open. If you don't see a main window, that's okay. Wispr Flow often runs quietly in the background. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock for the system tray. If the Wispr Flow icon is there, the app is running. Next, open Settings. Click the Wispr Flow icon in the system tray to bring up its menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the control center where language preferences live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Languages or Dictation Language. That's where you'll set the output language, the language your dictated text appears in. Click to open it and you'll see a list of supported options. Now, choose your preferred output language, such as English, Japanese, or Spanish. You can enable just one language, which is strongly recommended for clarity, or enable multiple if you regularly switch. Changes take effect instantly, so you don't need to save or restart for the new language to apply. Here's an important tip for accuracy. Keep only your main language turned on. When multiple languages are enabled at the same time, Wispr Flow may try to follow you across languages, and the output can mix or switch unexpectedly. Sticking to a single active language gives the cleanest results. Also remember, Wispr Flow transcribes what you speak. It does not automatically translate. That means if you speak Japanese, you'll get Japanese text. If you speak English, you'll get English text. If you want a different output language than the one you're speaking, you can use a quick voice command. Try saying, "Translate this to English," or "Write this in Spanish." Wispr Flow will rewrite your existing text in that language without changing your underlying language settings. If your output language seems wrong or keeps flipping, here's a fast fix. Go back to Settings, open Languages, and disable all languages except the one you want. If the change doesn't fully apply, restart Wispr Flow and test again. For a clean English setup, enable English US and disable everything else. With that, your dictation should be consistently accurate, predictable, and ready for your workflow.